Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do some unboxing of the Ray's hazelnut coffee. It has been trending over Instagram, so I just thought of getting it ordered, and now I'm unboxing it and I'm going to show you just to taste the coffee and its quality and how it really is. I ordered for a 50 grams which came for I think 299 rupees for me. This was in offer, but the actual price is 349 for that 50 grams. So I'm just going to show you. They have a decent packing and the box is also really nice. This is the Ray's coffee whisk. It comes for free. This is a free gift. You can see that inside the brown box. The quality is not very impressive, but otherwise it's okay. After all, it's a free gift, so what can you say about it? This is just like one you get for 100 rupees over Amazon and Flipkart. And this is the main coffee box that I'm really excited to open. Here it says that if you don't love Ray's coffee, we'll refund without any question. Well, that's a great way to begin. Now here is the coffee box. You can see they have sent a little sticker sort of a thing. It says keep raising Ray's coffee. Okay, it looks nice. Well, now let's go to the bottle and let's see. Let's do the unpacking. They have packed it up pretty well. I really love the packaging. I had a little tough time opening it. It wasn't coming up that easy. Here guys, this is the Ray's coffee. I prefer trying Irish hazelnut flavor of the coffee. This is instant coffee, and I am not going to talk about the benefits and the other side, the harmful side of the coffees. As you can see, this is 349 for 50 grams bottle. So okay guys, this is all from my end from this unboxing video. I hope you guys also go ahead and order one for yourself, and let me know in the comment section how you find the coffee. Until then, bye.